Good morning, guys, respected sir and respected faculty. Myself Miran Savani, and I am the leader of Vibe Coder team. And we are going to build a project on fourth theme, which is full stack web development. And we are going to build, and we are builded a software which is software as a service provide. And this is the we are going. This is the demonstration of our project. So at current time it is difficult to work in team from different locations. Means if we register for any hackathon or any other competition where we have a team, then it is difficult to managing team and coordination. So for this problem we have proposed a solution, that is OpsBoard. So what is OpsBoard is basically, so it is a platform where every teammate, every member of any team can join here with a single platform and done their task or anything chat or anything which is mandatory for complete the task are done here. So apart from conversation, we are direct going to demonstration. So first we are going for sign in. Currently I don't have any account, so it gives validation error. See, so now I am going to create one account. Now if we check that password and confirm password are not same, then it is declared that, then it is gives that password do not match. Now for same password we are going to create our account. So firstly it sends a email on Gmail account for double verification, means two-factor verification, that ensure that the account which is logged by any user is real account. So here the email was verified. If we are going back here to sign in, then we enter credentials. See, we are able to log in with our dashboard, and here also able to see notifications. So now I am going to create a team which is OPS 48, and the description is web development. Create team. So after creating team, this is the dashboard which a user able to see. There is a risk radar, generate stand up, which is export action log file in .txt form, means what is the done during the session. Then it is a velocity chart which indicates how many total tasks, how many are completed, how many are remaining. Then this is a progress bar. So blocker means if any task is going in block section, then it is shows here in blocker part. Then it is invite code, means this is basically built for working in team. So for team we need invite code so that any other members can join the same. Then for that I need a second account, so I am copy this invite code and I am going to create one another account. Let's create free account. See here, if we are going to create account with same email, then we show validation error that email has already exist. This email is already exist, so we need another email. Com, and I am going to change name because we have same name. Okay, password. Okay, get free account. For this also it send verification email. See, the verification email we got here. But now what if we don't verify our email and we are going to sign in, means if we are try to sign in without email verification. Then see what happened. So it says that email not verified, please check your inbox. So here also it is arrived mail in inbox, and also if we type resend verification email, if we click on resend verification email, then it also send a new verification email. So wait for some time. Yes, this is the second verification email we got 0 minutes ago. Then email address verify. Then now if we are trying to log in, then see we are able to log in. For now, now I want to join the team which I created before with another account. So click on join team, paste the code and join team. See, that's how we are able to join a team and going to work together with our team. So for this, firstly, the admin is able to add task. Means here if any member are joined, then member has no permission for added task. So for this we need to go admin account, this, see the other member is shown here, and admin is able to allow task creation for any member. So now for I am going to add task which is requirement gathering, gather requirement, priority we set high, member Miren Savani which is me, and Miren D Savani which is another member. So I am going to assign task for this, and the deadline I today is 2nd March 2026. So I going to put second 3rd month 2nd date 2026. So it's a validation error, means the deadline is must after the date which is today. So we are must set the deadline after current date. So now I am going to create task. So the task is created. Now the task is created for Miren D Savani, which is the second account. So I am not able to do anything for this task. I am only able to change because I am the admin. So now I am going for second account, which is here. So I am going to log in. See, here I am also able to see the task. Now is the progress bar that see urgent in 24 hours mean I put the date just after the current date, means today is 2nd March and I put the deadline as 3rd March. So it is urgent, means it is completed, must be completed under 24 hours. So now I am able to transfer this task from to do to in progress, not directly and completed, because this breaks the pipeline. So in progress or directly in block. So if I am going to put this task in block, then I must have the reason that why I am going to put this task in block. But now I am going to for the in progress, then completed. See here the velocity chart, total 1, completed 1. Now I am not able to generate any task, so I must log in for admin account. I log in and I am give accessibility to second account to task creation. Now here I am also able to add task, and now from now I am also able to create task from second account, and the admin only is able to delete this completed task. But for now I am going to show this second. See, I am still a member, but I have access to add task because admin gives me permission. So web development, web front-end development. Now if any member is accessible to assign a task, then he or she is not able to assign a task to admin, but he is able to give task another role members. So as of now we have only two members, one admin and one another member. So admin is not shown, but the another member is shown here. Then we third month, third date 2026. We are going to create task. This feature is useful when the admin is not present or admin has very important work beside of this. So at that time admin give access to any other member to create task. For now, every creation task or deletion task we are receive email. See, you have been assigned a new task. Also of any member any member is completed any task, so all the team member get the email that any member or admin is completed the task. Then here is permission granted, that admin give permission for this account to task creation, and the same for the other account. I receive new task assignment and the task completed from any of the member of the team. Now I am going to put it in blocked state. So for block state, I must need to provide a reason that why I am going to block this. So I am going to provide the reason that not very important. So mark as blocked. So it is now getting blocked. And if any task is going to block state, then it is only unblocked by admin. So here we see that total is 2, completed 1, and remaining is also 1, which is in block state. And also we see that risk radar is getting down. So now for I am signed out and going to my admin account. So here see that I am able to unblock the task. Yes, unblock, and I am also able to take the task creation allowance from any member. So if I revoke that, the member received email. Here we are received the task block email. Then user is also receive a mail that the permission is removed for task creation. Now this is for block. Now the admin is able to unblock, and now admin is unblocked this. So we must do complete in another account. So here generate stand-ups. We are able to generate stand-up also. We are going for this after some time. See that also 1 is remaining, 1 completed, 2. Then I am going to progress and completed. That's how this platform works for any team. Also I am able to chat here, means when I put at the rate, then it is show the name of teammate which are in current team. So I select the teammate and mention, then send. The mentioned teammate is also receive an email that he or she is mentioned in chat box. That we see here. See, you are mentioned in OpsBoard team chat. So it is one more functionality to connect with teammate every time. Means if any teammate is mentioned in chat, then he is able to know that he is mentioned in chat, and at the same time he or she is coming live on the website. Now for admin side, if there is more task, if here is only 2 tasks, but if there is 4 or 5 tasks, this column is getting long. So only admin is able to delete the tasks. See, and also these are some shortcuts. If we press shift plus question mark, then it is some shortcut. That n, if we press n, the new task slash for focus on search bar, escape for close. The escape. Then if I type n, then it is showing that create a new task menu. So the another one is search bar, as you can say that filter bar. So when I press slash, I am directly redirect to search task option. Here we can search task as for a means typing the name of the task. I am typing anything, then not going. It is not showing any task because there is no task with this name. For requirement gathering, it is showing a task for after I type R, but if we type RQ, then it is not going to show any task. Also, it is showing task as high priority, medium priority, low priority, as per all members. For this member, no task assigned. For this member, no task assigned because we are setting the priority as low priority. If we are going to medium and high, so if there is priority is assigned, means if we are going to apply filter with priority and team member, then it is must shown as priority and team member name. There is generate stand up, then here export.txt. Here we can see the downloaded txt file. Okay, going to open it. So here we are able to see that which are the logs, means how many logs are there is and who done this, means if anyone add or remove task, then if anyone is block his task, then means if any member of team is going to do anything on this same dashboard, then the log is generated and it is stored in here, and we can simply download it from generating stand up. So that's all. And the one another thing is means the demonstration of website is complete, but I have another thing is I have deployed this website on Vercel. I am use Vercel and render to deploy this website. So in deployment, it is not support SMTP mail transfer functionality, so I need to remove mail transfer functionality. And here also the same for login, but I am already logged in, so it is already showing one team for my login account, and it is deployed on Vercel, so the load time is sometime high, sometime low. Here I am logged in here as admin, and here in my team my another friend is, so I can able to give access for task creation. I can able to remove the access, but in deployed site this takes some time. So that's the deploy website. Everything is working as per the previous, means everything is same work as the localhost. So for deployed website and localhost, everything is same, but the only challenge is we are facing mail receive issue because a render or a Vercel does not provide the service in free tier. So now I am remove the task creation. So this is our deployed website. This is working as well as the localhost, means undeployed website. So that's all. Now I'm going to end this demonstration. Thank you.